Did you know that cloves have been used for centuries? These tiny aromatic buds have a rich history that dates back to ancient civilizations. They were a precious spice, even traded like gold. In fact, cloves were so valuable that they were often used as currency in trade routes spanning across continents. These small brown buds come from the clove tree, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum. Native to the Maluku Islands in Indonesia, these trees thrive in tropical climates. They have a warm, sweet smell and a unique taste that can enhance both sweet and savory dishes. From spiced cookies to hearty stews, cloves add a distinctive flavor that is hard to miss. But cloves are more than just a spice. They have been used in traditional medicine for their therapeutic properties for thousands of years. They have amazing health benefits, especially during winter. Their warming properties make them perfect for cold weather, helping to keep you cozy and healthy. Cloves are like tiny superheroes for your body. They are packed with nutrients that can help you stay strong and fight off illnesses. They are packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect your body from oxidative stress and free radicals. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall health. Antioxidants are important for staying healthy all year round. Including cloves in your diet can be a simple way to boost your antioxidant intake. Want to boost your immune system naturally? Cloves can help with that. They contain compounds that have been shown to enhance immune function. Cloves can be used in various forms, such as clove water or clove tea, to harness their health benefits. Drinking clove tea can be a soothing way to support your immune system. They have special properties that can strengthen your body's defenses. The eugenol in cloves has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects, making them a powerful natural remedy. Let's explore how this small spice can make a big difference in your winter wellness. From boosting your immune system to adding a burst of flavor to your meals, cloves are truly magical. So next time you reach for a spice, remember the incredible benefits of cloves and how they can enhance your health and well-being. Cloves are like little powerhouses of goodness. These tiny, aromatic flower buds pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. Originating from the Spice Islands of Indonesia, cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and culinary practices. They are full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Cloves contain essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, which are crucial for maintaining overall health. The antioxidants in cloves help combat oxidative stress, protecting your cells from damage. These nutrients work together to keep your body strong and healthy. Regular consumption of cloves can support your immune system, enhance bone health, and even improve your skin's appearance. Imagine starting your day with a boost of energy and vitality, thanks to these little wonders. One of the best things about cloves is their ability to fight inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response by your body to injury or illness, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues. Cloves have anti-inflammatory properties. The compound eugenol found in cloves acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, helping to reduce swelling and pain. This makes cloves an excellent addition to your diet if you're dealing with conditions like arthritis or muscle soreness. This means they can help soothe your body from the inside out. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of clove tea after a long day, feeling the calming effects as it eases your discomfort and promotes relaxation. Cloves are known to aid digestion. They stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, which can help break down food more efficiently. This can be particularly beneficial if you often experience indigestion or bloating. They can help soothe an upset stomach and reduce bloating. The carminative properties of cloves help in expelling gas from the digestive tract, providing relief from discomfort. This makes them a great natural remedy after a big meal. Whether you add them to your dishes, brew them into a tea, or simply chew on a clove, incorporating this spice into your routine can offer numerous health benefits. So next time you reach for a spice, remember the humble clove and its powerful health-boosting properties. Winter often brings colds and flu. That's because the cold weather can weaken our immune systems. But don't worry, cloves can be your secret weapon. Cloves contain a special compound called eugenol. Eugenol has powerful antimicrobial properties. This means it can help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses that make us sick. Regularly consuming cloves, especially in the form of clove water, can strengthen your immune system. It's like giving your body an extra layer of protection during the winter months. Making clove water is easy and fun. You only need 2 ingredients, cloves and water. Take about 10 to 12 cloves and lightly crush them. This helps release their flavor and aroma. Add the crushed cloves to a pot with 2 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil, then let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the clove water into a cup and let it cool slightly before drinking. Your clove water is ready. It should have a warm, slightly sweet and spicy flavor. A sip a day, adding clove water to your routine. Now that you have your clove water, how can you make it a part of your daily life? It's simple. Start your day with a warm cup of clove water. It's a soothing way to wake up your body and boost your immunity right away. Enjoy a cup of clove water after meals. It can aid digestion and freshen your breath. You can even carry a thermos of clove water with you and sip on it throughout the day. Warm up your winter. Enjoy clove water in different ways. Don't like the taste of plain clove water? No problem. You can get creative and add other flavors to make it even more delicious. Try adding a squeeze of lemon for a citrusy twist. A spoonful of honey can add natural sweetness. You can even combine cloves with other spices like cinnamon or ginger for a warming winter drink. Remember, the goal is to find what tastes best to you and makes you want to drink clove water regularly. Children and clove water. A note for parents. Clove water can be beneficial for children too, but it's important to be cautious with the dosage. Start with a smaller amount and observe how your child reacts. Always consult with your pediatrician before giving clove water to infants or young children. They can provide personalized advice based on your child's age and health condition. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to children's health. Always prioritize a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle habits. Clove water, not a substitute for medical advice. While clove water offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to remember that it's not a magic cure-all. It should not be considered a replacement for proper medical advice or treatment. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's crucial to consult with your doctor before incorporating clove water into your diet. They can advise you on any potential interactions or contraindications. Your health is a priority, and seeking professional medical guidance ensures you're making safe and informed decisions. Listen to your body. Moderation is key. Like with any food or drink, moderation is essential when consuming clove water. Too much of a good thing can sometimes have adverse effects. Start with a small amount of clove water daily and gradually increase the quantity as needed. Pay attention to how your body responds. If you experience any discomfort or unusual symptoms, discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. Embrace the power of nature clove water for a healthy you. Clove water is a testament to the incredible power of nature. This aromatic spice, often found in our kitchens, holds a treasure trove of health benefits that many of us are unaware of. This simple drink, made from a humble spice, can significantly impact your overall well-being, especially during winter. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, which help in fighting off free radicals and boosting your immune system. By incorporating clove water into your routine, you're choosing a natural and holistic approach to health. It's easy to prepare. Just steep a few cloves in hot water, let it sit for a few minutes, and your health-boosting drink is ready. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out and strengthening your defenses against seasonal ailments. Regular consumption of clove water can help in reducing inflammation, improving digestion, and even alleviating respiratory issues. Embrace the warmth and goodness of clove water and experience the positive impact it can have on your winter wellness journey. Not only does it keep you warm, but it also ensures that your body is well protected against the harsh winter elements. So, why not make clove water a part of your daily routine and enjoy the myriad benefits it offers? From boosting your immune system to improving your overall health, clove water is truly a gift from nature. Join the wellness journey. Share the gift of clove water. Do you know someone who could benefit from the immune-boosting power of clove water? Share this valuable information with your friends and family. Help them stay healthy and protected during the winter months. Together, let's embrace natural remedies and empower ourselves to live healthier lives. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips and tricks. Like this video if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below sharing your experience with clove water.